Joe Swash has shared his thoughts on being a stepdad to his wife Stacey Solomon's children. The EastEnders star, 41, and the former X Factor singer, 33, have 6 children between them, with a mix of each partner's separate marriages and 3 children of their own. Speaking on the NetMoms podcast, Joe was asked how he made their large family dynamic look seamless. He revealed that, despite how things appear on social media, everything has challenges. We still have challenges. Regarding bringing their family together, he added that we love having our blended family but that he didn't really like calling it that. Philip Schofield holds bedside vigil for mum after she becomes seriously ill. The IMA celebrity. "Get me out of here." Star also spoke about how Stacey's kids addressed him, admitting, "I hate being called stepdad. It don't feel right with me, it doesn't sit right with me." Sick, the couple began their relationship after meeting in January 2016 on IMA Celeb. They were married in a small ceremony in Essex in July 2022 and had their 3rd child Belle in February of this year. Together they share 3 children, Rex, 3, Rose, 1, and newborn daughter Belle. Eldest son Harry, 16, is Joe's only child from ex-fiancée Emma Sophocleous, whilst Zachary, 15 and Layden, 11 were from Stacey's relationships with Dean Cox and Aaron Barnum. Joe shared that, although the older children were not biologically his, he ensured they always felt loved. "I look after Stacey's boys no differently to how I look and how I love my own kids. We're all one big unit," he said. "I never ever make that distinction. Even saying that makes me feel funny," he emphasized before saying he likes to refer to them as our kids. "As long as the house is full of love and we all love each other the same," he added. Don't miss. Johnny Irwin's sister praises Absolute Fighter as he makes public appearance. Latest, Kevin Spacey appears to face sexual assault trial at court in South London. Updates, Doctor Who's John Barrowman kicked out of restaurant. Latest, the only potential issue the now father of 6 said he may face was stroppy teenagers. Despite a large household, most recently the star couple enjoyed some alone time together as they traveled to Salzburg in Austria for a friend's wedding. Stacey shared with her 5.7 million followers on Instagram, "Mom and Dad out alone in the actual Sound of Music house for our friend's wedding." The Loose Women star added, "P.S. I'm a little tipsy or maybe a lot. Or maybe totally gone. I don't look like this anymore. Send help. Sick." The TV star previously revealed on her social media that she didn't drink alcohol since she met Joe, having stated, "I genuinely don't like the taste of it. I think most of it tastes like nail varnish remover."